Hi, this is Eli with Tech Talk. Today I'm going to show you how to create a Google account. Now, first what you're going to need to do is go to your preferred browser. Now, I personally use Google Chrome, so I'm going to come down here, type search Google Chrome. From there, it's going to open up a new tab. Now, I want you to paste the URL that's going to be in the description in the search bar. And then from there, enter. Now, next what I'm going to need for you to do is to fill out the forms that they want you to actually create your account. Now, I want you to take your time with this process because I don't want you making any mistakes. It's very important that you don't make mistakes while you make your Google account. Now, after you have completed the form, it's going to pop up a page like this, and it's going to ask you to verify your phone number. Now, it's just going to make sure that you are who you say you are. Now, from here, you're going to type in your phone number, and then after that, it's going to send you a text telling you what code you should put into there. Now, once you verified your number, it's going to ask you to actually put in some more information about yourself. So just in case, maybe a phone number like it says here for security purposes, just in case you lose your account, or a recovery email address. It's going to ask you for your birthday and your gender. And then from there, you're going to continue onwards. Then from there, it's going to ask you to read its privacy and terms policy. And from there, you just have to click I agree. And then after that, you'll be greeted with this, type of account setup thing where it's going to ask you to sign in, give you some, and to essentially just finish up your account, your Google account. And now, once you're done and essentially setting up all of your account, you have your Google account. Boom, that easy. Now, if you have any questions about what we talked today, make sure to leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to get back to you as fast as I can. This has been Eli from Tech Talk. See you next time.